students, I am Ms. Munazza Sayyed. Welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you EVS subject of grade 2. Children, today's good thought is honesty is the best policy. It means honesty, it means that we should not tell lie. It means that telling the truth is better than lying. Means we always have to say the truth and only not telling about the truth. It means being real to everyone. Means whatever your behavior is, whatever you are, you have to be yourself with everyone. For example, if you are good, your manners are also good. So in one of the people you will behave good, with other person you will not behave good. This is wrong. Whatever you are, whatever things you are having, whatever qualities you are having, you have to be real with everyone. Okay? And the honesty, that feeling, that gives us the energy. Yes? A different type of confidence. Okay. Now it's study time. In the last period of EVS, we have learned about my body needs food. Means our body needs food to be energetic and healthy or to do many other things. In that we have learned 2 points. Okay. First point was food from plants. Okay. Food, F-O-O-D, food, F-R-O-M, from, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Second point was food from animals. Food from animals, F-O-O-D, food, F-R-O-M, from, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. So in those 2 points, in first point food from plants, we saw we are getting fruits, vegetables, grains and pulses from plants. Fruits, for example, can you name some fruits, children, which we have saw? Yes, mango, apple, grapes, very good. Name some vegetables now. Potato, brinjal, good. Beans, yes. Now grains, G-R-A-I-N-S, grains. Grains means what? In Hindi I have said you, anaj, right? Like rice, wheat, more, jawar, very good. Yes. And the last we saw pulses, P-U-L-S-E-S. Now pulses means all kind of dals like masoor, moong, tuar, these all are the pulses. Next point we saw food from animals. In that we saw how do we get milk from cows, goats, buffaloes and camels. Next we saw eggs. How do we get eggs? From hens and ducks, very good. And meat also we get from the animals. So the food which we get from animals is called, yes, animal product, very good. So now we are going to learn the next part of this chapter. Okay, so open your Canopy textbook, EVS session, page number 14. Even in the last period, children, we have saw the good habit also. Do you remember the good habits which we have learned? Yes? Can we see the presentation again? We should eat our meals on time. As I said you, different types of meals like 3, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay. So we should take our meals on time. We should eat a good breakfast. Yes, we should eat a good breakfast. Very important, as I said you all are washing your hands now, children? Yes, good. We should wash our hands before we eat. We should chew our food well. Yes. Are you all brushing your teeth twice a day? Good habit. We should brush our teeth before we go to bed. Yes. So these were the good habits which we saw. Yes. Now we are going to see the other part of this chapter. Kinds of food. Have you all opened the textbook, children? Canopy textbook, EVS session, page number 14, 14. Third point is kinds of food. K-I-N-D-S. Kinds. O-F of F-double-O-D food. Kinds of food. Different kinds of food help us in different ways. D-I, repeat the spelling after me, children. D-I-double-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. K-I-N-D-S. Kinds of food help us in D-I-double-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different ways. So by eating the different kinds of food, different types of food help us in different ways. Yes, different types of food help us in different types of ways. Some, S-O-M-E, some, give us energy. So in that, now we have the bifurcation, we have the points and the things which food help us in different ways. The ways are, some gives us energy, means by eating some food we get the energy. Yes. Some give us strength. While some give us the energy, some give us strength. Strength spelling, repeat after me. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H. Strength. And some protect our bodies. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. O-U-R-R. Bodies. B-O-D-I-E-S. Bodies from diseases. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. Diseases. So here kinds meaning types. So we are going to see the different types of food helps us in different ways. First one we saw, some give us energy. Okay. Second one, some give us strength and some protect our bodies from diseases. Okay. First one point is energy giving foods. As we saw here, some food give us the energy. So what are those foods which gives us the energy that we are going to see now. Energy giving foods means the list of foods, the different types of foods which gives us the energy. Repeat the spelling of energy with me, children. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. G-I-V-I-N-G, giving, energy giving foods. F-O-O-D-S, foods. What are those foods, children, which gives us the energy? Like potato, bread, rice, chapatis, sugar, butter and oil give us the energy. For what they are giving us the energy? To work and play. Okay. So the foods which gives us the energy are potato. Repeat the spelling. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Next, bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Third one, rice, R-I-C-E, rice. Next, chapatis, C-H-A-P-P-A-T-I-S, chapatis. Next, sugar, S-U-G-A-R, sugar. Next is butter, yes, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. And oil, O-I-L, oil gives us the energy to work and play. So these are the foods which gives us the energy, like chapati. See the chapati is here, and butter. Only two pictures I am showing, but rest all you know: breads, potatoes, sugar, oil and rice also. Now on the next page, children, we are going to see the next point. Yes, here we have the next point, body building foods, which gives us the strength. It means the food which gives us the strength. B-O-D-Y, body, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, building, F-O-O-D-S, foods, body building foods. Some foods like milk, meat, fish, egg and pulses. Pulses means what, children? Dals. Good. Make our bodies strong and help us to grow. So these are the foods. By eating these foods, our body will be strong and we will grow stronger. Okay. What are those food now? Like milk, meat, fish, egg and pulses. So here we have a milk packet and eggs. How many eggs are there, children? 2. You are unable to see. Count the eggs. Yes. 3. Good. So the next point is protective foods. As we saw the kind of food, that food protect our bodies from the diseases. So the third point is protective foods. PROTECTIVE. Protective. FOODS. Foods. Protective foods. Some foods like fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases. So the foods like fruit and vegetables, children, by eating those fruits and different types of vegetables, different types of fruits, our body will be protected by them from the diseases. To stay healthy and strong, we should eat balanced meals. Now what is the main point here, children? To stay healthy. Now everybody, all of us, we want to be healthy, right? But you don't want to eat sabzi. Mama, I don't like palak, I don't want to eat. Mama, I like only aloo paratha, I will eat only paratha. So in this way you are going to be healthy, children? No, exactly not. So to stay healthy and to be strong, we should eat balanced meals. Now balanced meals means that now we saw 3 kinds of food: energy giving foods, body building foods, protective foods. Means the food which give us the energy, the food which builds our body, which gives us the strength. Protective food, the food which protect us from the diseases. So these 3 includes in balanced meals. This means that in a day, means during one day, in a day, we should eat a little from all the 3 groups of food. Now which are the 3 groups of food, children? Yes, energy giving food, body building foods, and last one is protective foods. So to be strong and healthy, we have to have the balanced meals. In that we have to eat the small and the little portion from all the 3 groups. Next point we have here, vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Repeat the spelling after me, children. VEGETARIANS. Vegetarians. AND NON, 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 VEGETARIANS, vegetarians, vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Now what it means? Children, do you know that some people eat only milk products? Means some of the people, those who are eating only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables. So the persons, the people who are eating only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables, they are called vegetarians. Sorry, vegetables, children, here. So they are called vegetarians. Who are called vegetarians, children? The people who eat only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables, they are called vegetarians. There are others who eat milk products, grains, fruits, vegetables, eggs and meat. Now see children, many things are common here, like milk product, vegetarians also eat, and here other people also eat. Okay, grains also is common, fruits also is common, vegetables. Only the other people who eat eggs and meat along with these things, they are called non-vegetarians. Okay, have you understood the difference between vegetarians and non-vegetarians, children? I'll repeat again. The people who eat only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables are called vegetarians. Other people who eat milk products, grains, fruits, vegetables, eggs and meat, they are called non-vegetarians. Okay children, so remember to eat the balanced meal, means energy giving food, body building foods and protective foods. Now see here, we have a small activity actually. In the spaces below, write what you had for breakfast, lunch and dinner yesterday. So what you have to do here, this will be your homework children, today's homework. Okay, here this is a space, the blank space they have given. What do you have to do? What you had yesterday for breakfast, what you had yesterday for lunch, what you had yesterday for dinner. This you have to write. Okay. Now children, here we have some questions that we are going to see now. Ready to answer? Say whether the statements are true or false. What you have to do? You have to say whether the statements are true or false. First one, we get food only from plants. Do you think children, from plants only we are getting the food? What is the answer? Have you all answered? Yes. Now we will see the answer. False. So how do we get food? From different animals and plants too. Good. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. Is it true or false? I'll show the answer. Yes, it's true. Because we get the fruits, vegetables from plants, and even two more food items we get from the plants, children. What are those? You didn't remember? Very bad. Yes, grains and pulses. Good. Next question. Rice and wheat are grains. True. butter, eggs, cheese and milk are animal products. What do you mean by animal products? The food we get from animals is called animal products. So, butter we make it from milk, and milk we get from animal. Eggs we get from hens and ducks. Cheese, it's made up of milk, and milk we get from animals. So, these are the animal products. Yes, you all are right. Last one, we have fifth one. We get milk from cows, goats and buffaloes. True. Yes. So, we have in the same way one more question answer format. Choose the correct option. What you have to do is you have to select the correct answer. First one, sugar, potatoes and oil are energy giving, bodybuilding or protective food. Now we have learned, children, that sugar, potatoes and oil are which kind of food? They are giving us energy, they are building our body, or they are protective for our body. Yes, they are energy giving food. Next, at night we eat dinner, breakfast, lunch. Yes, children, at night we eat our breakfast, right? No. Where is your mind? Pay attention here. At night we eat our dinner. To stay healthy, we must eat protective foods, bodybuilding foods or balanced meal. Balanced meal. Balanced meals means it includes all the energy giving foods, protective foods and bodybuilding foods. Dals, in South India it's called parappu, gives us energy or makes us strong or protect us from diseases. It makes us strong because fruits and vegetables protect our bodies from diseases, and energy giving foods are different like oil, potato and so on. So, in this lesson, children, we have learned the other part of the lesson number 3 of EVS, that my body needs food. Not only my body, our body needs food actually to grow and to be healthy and to become stronger. So, in this lesson, we have saw that how we get the food from different, okay, like food from plants, first one, food from animals, okay. In food from plants, we have learned fruits, vegetables, grains and pulses. Animal products, we have learned food from animals, that eggs, meat, milk, etc. And the three main things, balanced meal, which balance our body to be healthy and to grow properly, are energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective foods. So, to be healthy, we have to eat small portion from these 3 meals, okay, and good habit also we have learned. So, today's homework, do you all remember that you have to write what you had for your breakfast, lunch and dinner about yesterday, okay. Do the homework, read lesson number 3. In the next period, we are going to solve the exercise. Thank you.